Yo! Today we're talking about 3D printed puzzles. They're actually pretty fun. Oh. This was actually inspired from Maker's Muse and Make Anything, along with this manufactured puzzle that you can see right here. I actually saw some people playing with it and decided I should make one. So let's go get the 3D printed one.
A bike ride and a hike later.
Whoa. Hey, we got it. We actually got this puzzle, but 3D printed. And it was made in Blender. It doesn't slide quite as smoothly as the manufactured one, but that's mainly due to requiring support materials and not necessarily being optimized for 3D printing. Nonetheless, it is actually pretty cool, but I'm going to make 2 more puzzles that are more attuned to 3D printing. Anyways, let's go. Oh, let's go! Okay, so we got our cubes. This one even has a base. Speaking of the one with the base, I actually printed the gold pieces. Oh, I somehow lost one. Okay, I found the black piece, one sec. I actually printed the gold pieces as the sides and the black piece is the corners, so that I got a little bit of a hint. Despite that, it was actually still pretty difficult to solve, and my sister didn't even try and literally just recorded a video of her taking it apart and then used it to actually put it back together. Little piece, and then something, gotta combine these pieces. Somehow managed to solve it. Took a little bit, right there. So that's this first puzzle. Really fun and surprisingly difficult to solve. The second puzzle, on the other hand, is actually pretty easy to solve and is more of a challenge to actually figure out how the pieces attach versus figuring out where they go. So that's these puzzles. Hopefully you like them. If you want to print them, they will be on Printables and Gumroad. And if you actually do end up printing them, I'd love to see them. Aside from that, probably a bit of a shorter one, and I'll see you next time. Bye.